Hello everyone, welcome back to Travel Escape Vlogs. Today's vlog is on Munnar, which is one of the most popular tourist destinations of southern India located in the state of Kerala. Today's video is going to be interesting, so stay tuned and keep watching the video until the end. And do subscribe to our channel for more such upcoming vlogs.
I'm driving down an empty freeway. No waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing
Munnar is located at a distance of about 120 kilometers from Kochi, and it takes 3 hours to reach here. The views are very beautiful on the way towards Munnar. By the time I reached Munnar, it was quite late, so I checked into my hotel. This is how the view looks like from my room. There are a lot of hotels available here at an affordable range. Day 2 at Munnar. Today I started early with an intention to capture as many points as I can. So let's see how much we can cover today. Just look at this viewpoint, it is so beautiful and breathtaking.
I'm a future that
This place is Potmedu Dam backwaters. You can enjoy water sporting here. Matupeti Dam. This was constructed in 1940s for the purpose of hydropower generation and water conservation. Today, the dam is not only a major source of electricity in this region, but also a popular tourist spot. Echo Point, located at 15 kilometers from Munnar, known for its natural echo phenomenon. This place is surrounded by misty clouds, hills, verdant meadows and forests, which make this place very scenic. Kundala Lake, located approximately 20 kilometers from Munnar, is a stunning place to visit. The picturesque lake is surrounded by green valleys and majestic landscapes. Water sports and boating is also available here for visitors. Heading towards the next destination of our day, which is Top Station. This place is located around 32 kilometers from Munnar and is the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Top Station derived its name from the fact that it was the uppermost railway station located in the Kundala Valley. There is a watchtower here, so let's check out how the view looks like from above there. So now I am returning back to Munnar. In the evening I have plans to check the traditional dance and martial arts form practiced by locals over here. Now I am at Punarjani Traditional Village. You can watch here local artists performing traditional Kathakali dance form. Kalaripayattu is a martial art designed for the ancient battlefield with weapons and combative techniques that are unique to India. So this was all about my Munnar story. Do subscribe our channel for more such interesting vlogs. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.